gonna do? We're gonna make an impact. Get out of here.
Below the surface, down in the deep, we were created using unimaginable feats. Story built by someone so long ago. By the one we do not know, we do not know. Creations aren't allowed to move. Traps his head within himself will see the light shining from the outside. And we want out, we want out. Spirits and shadows, machines like me, crystal and poison. All of us want to be free, want to be down in the shop. We're not gonna stop. We'll make it to the top. Oh, well, we cut down in the shop.
Friendship, don't tell. Oh, you're just blind to the truth. You're the one that's blind. Understand? This is the only place we can be.
Some of you are blinded by ideals. Tell what's in your mind. It's real. With this foolish squad, the teachers. As if it is a business. So it's the only place where we can dwell. You see, the only place can be. Your shadow, plasma like me, crystal and poison is the only place where we will be truly free. Down in the workshop.
When they're free in the workshop.